Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am your tutorial teacher and I will help you to find the best tools to grow your business smarter. And today I am giving you a step-by-step beginner tutorial for Zoho CRM, which is honestly one of the best CRM tools out there right now. Whether you are a freelancer, a small business owner, or just getting into sales management, this is going to help you organize your leads, close more deals, and stay on top of your customer relationship, all without spending a dime. So grab your coffee, hit the like button, and let's jump into it. So first of all, you just need to understand what actually is Zoho CRM. So first off, what actually is Zoho CRM? Zoho CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management system that lets you keep track your leads, contract deals, tasks, and communications in one place. What makes it really popular is that the free plan is super generous. You can have up to 3 users for free and you get core features that many other CRMs change for. This makes Zoho CRM an amazing starting point for small businesses, solopreneurs, and even startup testing the waters with CRM software. Now let's talk about how you can sign up and dashboard tour. So alright, let's get started with the basic. Head over to the zoho.com/CRM. Then just click the get started for free. So I already have an Zoho CRM account, but when you will come over here newly, you will get to see something like this. So here you will get start your 15-day free trial. You just need to provide your name, email, password, and phone number, and then just click to the get started. Once you log in, you will land to the Zoho CRM dashboard. So let's click this one, access Zoho CRM. This dashboard is like your control center. It shows you an overview of your sales pipeline, open tasks, upcoming meeting, and revenue forecast. If you have got deals in progress, on the left hand side you will see main modules. These are like folders that organize your informations. The main ones you will use for leads. Here you can see this one is the leads ones. People or business who might be interested in your product or service. Then second one is contract. People who have been qualified as real opportunity. They will redirect to here. And third one is accounts. So here the companies your contract belong to, you will get to see in the accounts. Then next one is deals, the actual sales opportunity you are working on closing. And last one is task and activities, the reminders. It will give you reminders, follow-ups, and meetings. It is super clean and easy to navigate. You can even drag this around or hide what you don't need. Now let's talk about to add a lead. So let's add our first lead together. You just need to click onto the leads. Once you come over here in the left right side, you will see a list below, or if it is your first time, it will be an empty one. So you just need to click on create lead options. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now you can easily create your lead. So a form will come over here. Here you can enter details like lead owner, first name, like let's give an first name, Mr. Tito will be the first name, then the company, and you can provide the title will be the CEO, then provide the phone number. Let's say this one will be the phone number, mobile number. Similarly, you can provide this one. Lead source will be the advertisement, industry, he come from government, military, his annual revenue is $10,000, email optional out. You can select this one. Then you can provide company name, like company name will be the Habibullah, last name will be the Tito Rahman, email, then provide your email rahman@gmail.com. Similarly, you can provide the fax, website, then lead status also, then many more. They will ask you the additional informations. Lead source like a Facebook ad, website form, hard network tracking event. So here you can see the lead source. So once you feel that it is complete, like you can also add notes, assign it to a team member, or set a follow-up date right. Well, once you are done, you just need to click to the save Boom, you have got your first lead in the system. Just click over here, and here you will see that your first lead already been added. If you come over here now, you can easily see your lead over that place. Now into the next step, you just need to be find out the converting list, contact and accounts and deals. Now when a lead becomes real opportunity, like they reply to your email or ask for a quote, you will want to convert them. In Zoho, you just open the lead, you just need to click to the convert, and Zoho will automatically create a contract record for the person and account for their company and a deal you can track in your pipeline. This keeps your data organized and saves you tons of time entering details. Then you can track deals. Like now let's talk about the deals. This is where, like, let's go to the deals. This is where the magic happens because it is your actual sales pipeline. You just need to click to the deals in your sidebar. By default, you will see the Kanban view. It shows all your deals organized by stages like qualifications, negotiations, close on or close out. To create a new deal, hit plus new deal. Here you can see create deal and enter the deal name, amount, expected close date, and link it to your contract or account. You can drag deals between stages as they progress. It is super visual and helps you to see where to focus your time. Now let's talk about the adding tasks and follow-ups. One thing people forget is this follow-up, but Joe makes it easy. Inside any lead, contract or deal, you can create tasks, calls, or meetings. For example, add a task like a follow-up in a 3 days. Joe will remind you when it's due, so if no lead slips through the crack. You can see all tasks under the activities tab or directly on your dashboard. So now let's talk about the automation and integrations. Even on the free plan, Zoho CRM gives you some powerful automation. You can create simple workflows like welcome email when a new lead is added or creating follow-up tasks automatically when a deal moves stages. Zoho also integrates with tools you probably already use like Gmail, Workflow, Google Calendar, or Zoom, so your emails and meetings stay in sync. If you want more advanced stuff like custom workflows or AI features, you can always upgrade later, but honestly the free plan is more than enough to start. Now let's talk about the report and dashboards. So last but not the least, Zoho CRM has a solid reporting. Head to the report sections. Here you will find the report sections in here. You just need to go over here into the report section to see your sales performance, conversations, rates, and pipeline value. You can also customize your dashboard to track what's most important to you, like deals closing this month, top sales representatives, or lead source that bring the pipeline most revenue. And that's it for today, your complete beginner guide to Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.